The Amalfi Coast is a slice of paradise where dramatic cliffs meet sparkling turquoise waters, and every corner holds a postcard-perfect view. Known for its vibrant culture, rich history, and breathtaking landscapes, this region is home to three gems: Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. Today, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through the top 5 things to do in each of these stunning towns. Let's dive into this Mediterranean dream. Begin your Positano adventure on Spiaggia Grande, the town's lively main beach. Feel the soft golden sands beneath your feet, dip into the crystal-clear waters, or simply soak in the vibrant atmosphere while colorful boats bob along the shoreline. Look up, and you'll see the iconic dome of the Church of Santa Maria Assunta. Inside, marvel at the ancient Byzantine icon of the Black Madonna. This church isn't just a landmark, it's a keeper of Positano's rich history. Wander through Positano's narrow streets where surprises await around every corner. From bespoke leather sandals to hand-painted ceramics, the boutiques here offer artisan treasures that are uniquely Italian. Treat yourself to the flavors of Positano at one of its cliffside restaurants. Enjoy fresh seafood, handmade pasta, and a glass of local wine as the sun dips into the horizon, painting the sky in shades of gold and pink. Hop on a boat and glide along Positano's coastline. Discover hidden coves, pristine beaches, and the magical Grotta dello Smeraldo, where the waters shimmer with an emerald glow. In the heart of Amalfi stands the majestic Duomo di Sant'Andrea. Climb its grand staircase and step into a world of stunning mosaics, intricate architecture, and a deep sense of history. Amalfi is synonymous with lemons, and there's no better way to experience their essence than with a visit to a limoncello factory. Watch as this iconic digestivo is crafted and savor its refreshing taste. Escape the bustle of the town with a walk through the Valle del Ferriere. This lush nature reserve, complete with waterfalls and rare plants, is a haven for peace and serenity. Explore the ancient arsenals of Amalfi, a testament to its past as a powerful maritime republic. The shipyards echo with stories of a time when Amalfi ruled the seas. End your day in Amalfi with a creamy gelato in the lively Piazza del Duomo. Let the vibrant energy of the square wash over you as you savor each delectable bite. Perched high above the coastline, Villa Ruffalo enchants visitors with its historic charm and exquisite gardens. Stroll through its terraces and take in views that seem to stretch forever. At Villa Cimbrone, stand on the terrace of infinity and feel as though you're on the edge of the world. The sweeping views of the Amalfi Coast below are nothing short of magical. Ravello is known for its open-air concerts where classical music resonates against a backdrop of starry skies and gentle sea breezes. It's a feast for the senses. Wander Ravello's serene streets where time seems to slow down. Each turn reveals a new story, from quaint stone houses to hidden courtyards. Indulge in Ravello's traditional pastries like the zesti delisi al limone. These treats are as rich in flavor as they are in tradition. Spring and early autumn offer the perfect balance of mild weather and manageable crowds. Avoid the peak summer months if you prefer a more relaxed experience. The Amalfi Coast winding roads can be daunting. Opt for local buses, ferries, or private drivers to make your journey smoother. Choose your base wisely. Positano for glamour, Amalfi for centrality, and Ravello for tranquility. Each town offers its unique vibe and perspective. Respect local customs by dressing modestly in churches, greeting with a warm buongiorno, and embracing the slower pace of life. Comfortable shoes, sunscreen, and a good camera are essentials for your Amalfi Coast adventure. Light layers will keep you stylish and prepared for changing temperatures. The Amalfi Coast is more than a destination. It's an experience that lingers in your heart long after you leave. From Positano's vibrant beaches to Amalfi's historical treasures and Ravello's serene vistas, each town has its own magic. Which of these top activities will you add to your itinerary? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out our other travel guides and share your thoughts in the comments below.